For me, when I hunt, most of the time, I'm not bringing anything back. During a whitetail season, I may hunt 30, 40, 50 times, but 49 out of those times, I'll walk out of the woods with just my bow and nothing to show for it. I'm trying to hunt for food, but I'm also hunting for the experience. Being able to go out again and again and again is part of what makes it so fun. All of that hard work is what makes it attractive. It's what makes you want to work hard and succeed at it. And just being in nature, it feels right. But it's that one time that makes it all worth it. So I didn't grow up hunting. I started hunting in my late high school, early college years. Early 20s was when I really got into it for myself. It wasn't something that I planned on getting into because I wasn't really exposed to it. My now husband, Nick, took a liking to it a couple years into our relationship. So with him spending some time in the woods and me being an outdoorsy person in general, it seemed like the perfect way for us to hang out. Until the day finally came where I was with him on a hunt and he killed a white-tailed doe with a crossbow, and I watched the whole thing. Pretty much from that day on, I knew that I wanted to hunt for myself. I wanted to get a tag for myself. It's just been growing and expanding ever since, and so now it's been about a decade of me hunting, and it's totally changed the course of my life. The hunting in Florida is unlike any other hunting that I've experienced. So it's very much like Everglades vibes. It's palm meadow, palm trees, slash pines, alligators, and there's a lot of water. There's a lot of mosquitoes. You wrap that all into trying to pursue a deer. Seemingly from the surface, it feels impossible. And I've succeeded in some areas, and I haven't succeeded in others. It's a process that repeats itself over and over again. It's learn something, try and apply it, fail, try and apply it again, and then go back to the drawing board and start over. It's a long, hard process to teach yourself how to hunt, and I'm just glad that I never quit. So hunting here, I'll load up my Can-Am. We'll head out to the public land that we love to hunt, unload, and then head back as far as we can get on the Can-Am. All of this is happening before dark. So water is the second obstacle, and it's figuring out how deep can I go? Am I gonna get water in my boots today? And then it's time to put boots on the ground and get to hiking. And then I love to set up my saddle and climb up. Once I'm up in that tree, it's perfectly still and quiet. And it's cliche, but the peace and mental clarity that you feel in that kind of moment is indescribable. I'm reaching so many people through my platform that I know I'm having an impact on in some way, shape, or form. That I may be inspiring people to get outside or to try hunting. Truly, I want to be able to exist as we are now. I want to be able to hang out with my husband and be in the outdoors and have those really amazing experiences. I'm not I don't have some grand plan of anything beyond that, really. It's just enjoying my life in harmony, you know?